Hello friends, we will tell, I would say, rather than discuss the problem of leggy seedling, whether we are a new one or an experienced one. One will come across with this problem many times. If one has a common sense or a little scientific eyes, can solve the problem. There is no rocket science to understand why this leggy seedling happens most of the time. There are only 3 to 4 reasons which is authentic and scientific proven, or you can say authentic. Friends, the first thing come to my mind is lacking of sun and light. As you know, sun is a super energy, a superpower. Planet cannot make everything, rather than I would say plant make everything from mitochondria of that is situated in their cells. Neither it can never make sugar and activity like metabolism. So they lack of all of this. And it is very vital for the plant growth. It became tall and lanky. So sun and light, energy and light is very important. If you don't have sun and light, you can grow in an artificial light. Yes, artificial light. But the result will be not as good as the natural one, sunlight. The seedling, one can say the lanky seedling, the tall seedling problem occurs congestion of plant. When there is no space for them, they compete with each other. And what the result? They are competing to adapting a space. So they become congested and they become poor. And the result comes with such kinds of leggy thing. So you can separate this as you can see this leggy seedling in front of us. There are all kinds of vegetables. So what we need is to separate them very delicately. Although it's a messy work, but do it with your conscience. So make a fluffy mixture. You can see more than half of the stem should go in the soil. And now one by one we are transplanting in this way. Hey, leggy plants, don't be naughty. You can apply your tenderness, or you can even make a hole with chopstick, although it's a stick, but chopstick is so delicate. what we need is now to correct these type of symptom. It's not a disease, it's only a symptom. Symptom comes first. So what we need them is to keep them in a full sun. Do not be ashamed to say that it can kill them. Yes, it's over 40 degree temperature. Yes, 40 degree temperature. Then it's a controllable thing. So before conclusion, here is a summary. The lanky or a towering seeds result to 2 or 3 things: suns and light. And as I mentioned, you can replant with this method: sun and light. And the second most reason to turn into them mess is very congestion. So as you see, there are many congestion. 2-3 sprouts are comes with this tiny area, so cannot grow, always compete with each other to grow. With this information, I come to an end of this edition. So friends, I hope that with this little bit of knowledge will enhance you more and more. Bye bye, and thank you very much.